We'll guide you through how to change the passcode on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you're wanting to go and change the passcode. We're going to guide you through how this is done step by step. Perhaps you're concerned somebody else knows it, or there's another reason why you want to change it. So to get started, you need to go and unlock it, so enter in your current passcode. Next, open your settings. You can see here we're right at the top. What we need to do is go and scroll down, find the option for Face ID and passcode and tap there. Enter in your current passcode. Now you want to go and scroll down, find the option for Change Passcode and tap there. Enter in your current one. Now you can enter a new one. You can press on options and you could do the different lengths. You could do a alphanumeric, which is more of a password. I'll enter my new one in now. I'll press use anyway, it's fine. And then confirm it. That's it. You've now gone and successfully changed it. The next time you go to unlock your phone, you'll be using it.